Hi, today we're going to explore the Black Point Marina and part of the Biscayne National Park located in the southwest of Miami-Dade County. Let's go! This is one of the largest marinas in the county and is located next to the Biscayne National Park. This marina offers 5 ramps and plenty of parking for your trailers. It has an outdoor restaurant called Black Point Ocean Grill where you can enjoy the view of the sea, and if you are lucky, you can observe the manatees near the pier. This part of the Biscayne National Park is located next to the marina. This area is perfect for a walk, picnic, fishing, or exploring among the mangroves. You will cross some small bridges which connect small islands. At the end of the trail, you will see the ocean. If you are a lover of photography and the sea, this is a place you must go. Bye, see you in my next video.